on an island kissed by sunlight, where the sea meets mountain skies. There's a town of timeless beauty, a hidden jewel before your eyes. Partly by the sparkling coastline, partly where the Nebrodi rise. Stone-built homes tell ancient stories under endless Sicilian skies. Roads of lava from Mount...
Ciao, benvenuti, and welcome back to our channel, Move to Italy Now. So many people are traveling to Italy right now, and many are asking the question, what does it take? How much does it cost to actually live here in Italy? Well, in today's video, you'll discover that 36,000 euros could get you a top floor, beautiful apartment with a wraparound balcony where you have the ability to see the Centro Storico, the Nebrodi Mountains, and the sea from 3 different levels of your balcony. Now,
and practically ready to move into.
I was going to say, now it's a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom house, and we have a special viewer who does not like to have their washing machine in the kitchen or the bathroom. So guess what? This one features a laundry room. But also, it is, like Carlos said, ready to move into, a little paint, and the keys are yours.
Now, typically, we list a price, an asking price, because the Sicilians like to negotiate, and we're able to, all the time, advise you exactly where you need to come in with your offers.
But this one's been pre-negotiated for you.
This one is already done because the seller is very motivated for personal reasons. It's very logical, and we can talk about that privately if you're ready to write an offer. But this is an exceptionally good deal, right in probably the best spot in the Centro Storico of Santo Stefano.
Yes, and that's because most of the places in Centro Storico, or the city center, do not have a sea view because of the location. This one does.
Recently, we had a couple of you viewers here, and you had committed to purchasing a place sight unseen because you saw the video. You made a really good choice. But anyway, we had these viewers here recently, and we were getting ready to close on the property for them. So we asked them for their thoughts on their experience, and we're going to hear that next.
Andiamo. Laura?
Wow. Perfetto.
They've been very low ceilings, but these original. It's beautiful.
Well, yesterday you saw your home for the very first time. Tell us about it. How did it feel?
It was better than even expected. It was so exciting, and it just was a perfect experience. The house is going to be wonderful, and it's perfect for us.
Yeah, it exceeded all my expectations. Certainly the pictures online don't do it all the justice. Having to deal with all the administrative things here in Italy and not speaking the language very well at all, it would be very difficult for somebody from America to come and do that, and you've made it a really good experience for us.
Definitely.
Very seamless.
I was just going to say, my word for it would be seamless, because it was smooth, everything was wonderful. Would do it again in a heartbeat.
So glad to hear it. Well, the truth is that you folks have been absolutely delightful to work with, so thank you also in return.
Thank you, Carla.
And today we are touring Casa Francesco. This is a real treat, folks. Beautiful custom-made mahogany door, and we enter a move-in ready apartment, and you feel like you're at the top of the world. I will tell you frankly, I see no problems with this property. The only thing I think you're going to want to do is an interior-exterior paint job, but everything is intact. Now we're going to go ahead and start with I think I'll go left to right today. Now, as you probably noticed, the balcony is very long and wraparound. When I say wraparound, I mean not just one corner, but two. We're going to walk this and notice how this balcony goes all the way around. Beautiful. Look at that tall picture window there. All the way around to there. Okay, so you've got three sides. And by the way, here's a little sneak preview. There's your sea view. How about that? To get a place in Centro Storico of Santo Stefano with a little peekaboo sea view, that's nearly impossible. Look at this beautiful, beautiful rooftop view. And there's the main church, or the main piazza there. Look at this. All of these homes here in Centro date back at least 300 years. Okay, well, I thought you'd like that little deviation. So you enter this very large room here, and you come right into a fully equipped kitchen. Gas burners, of course, it'll be fired by the bombola. I told you that's where that would go, down in there. Okay. And just basically everything you need. And you notice it's also furnished. Back out to that balcony here. You have like three entrances to this balcony. It's just amazing. I've never been in a home quite like this, but it's cute as heck. It really is. The Comune for Santo Stefano is straight down at the end of the street there. Wonderful. So this exterior really could use a paint job. It doesn't need a stucco job or a color coat, so it just needs patching and paint. That's it. So at least your walls will be sealed. And later I'll show you what the roof looks like. I already flew up over that and it's in very nice shape. So you do have a step up here to the bathroom. And let's see how we can show you that. Okay. But the bathroom is fully equipped and beautiful. Again, all this natural light. It is such an important thing when you're in a historic center to get, well, in this case, you've got three sides with natural light. Now here, behind here, you've got a nice storage closet. So I think from all the storage that I've seen in this place, you're fully equipped with storage. You shouldn't have any problem. But you've got a full-size tub here. And let me see. There we go. And bidet right here. Nice big bathroom lavabo or sink. And the entire ceiling is done like this. So notice this. All done like this. The entire ceiling, the entire place. Which frankly It's all done in fir. Frankly, it's very nice because it's consistent. A lot of times if we see a wooden ceiling, it's one room or another. But here, the bedroom that we're in is really very spacious. So what you've got here is a sleeping setup where you got a twin bed down at the bottom of this armadio. And so it works for a child, a small child, a toddler, or whomever, to join you here in the bedroom. You've got nice, spacious area. And again, big window opening here, and just take a look at your view. That mountain view up there is beautiful. Now behold your sea view. Very nice, isn't it? Yeah, I like this bedroom. It's a nice size, and there's nothing like natural light. But you may not like the color, so just plan on painting. Otherwise, I tell you, I've examined this place and I just don't see the need for much of anything. Here's the only crack I noticed, and all houses get little surface cracks like that. That's it. That's it. Isn't that beautiful, though, looking out there onto your balcony? That view, huh? And I'm well inside the house. So, what a nice living space, huh? So one more thing I wanted to show you is, in addition to this kitchen eating area, there is also a laundry room, which is fully functional. You put your washer in here. I'll show you. See that? And then you still have a window in the laundry room. So you've got all the light you could possibly want. And that, my friends, is the balance of Casa Francesco.
On an island kissed by sunlight, where the sea meets mountain skies, there's a town of timeless beauty, a hidden jewel before your eyes. Partly by a sparkling coastline, partly where the Nebrodi rise. Stone-built homes tell ancient stories under endless Sicilian skies. And when the evening light comes dancing on the waterfall below, you can feel your spirit whisper, this is where I'm meant to go.
So guys, what did you think about this one? Did you love how the sun pours into the place? There were so many things that I liked about this place. It is small, it's simple, but it has everything you need.
Yeah, it's a very nice little home. By the way, you noticed that little interview we had with that couple of viewers, and there was one comment that was made that I thought I would share with you, and I hope it's okay with them. He was saying, you know, this was so easy. I'd have to conclude that it's actually probably easier to purchase a home in Italy than it is in the U.S., and I have to say that is a clear testament to how valuable our service is and that we are doing our job, because it is not easier in Italy. It can be a bloody nightmare. So yes, so that's the whole objective here, to make it a seamless transaction, and that's what we're doing. So you got to remember that we're living in the part of the world where it's all about who you know.
And guys, it's okay because you know us.
So without further ado, ciao for now.
Alla prossima. Ciao.